What's up, guys and gals? Carter here from RestoMods.com. I want to showcase my favorite product that we sell at RestoMods.com, this quick shine product, the pretty pink, as they call it. I got some water spots here. We had a little bit of rain over the weekend, and I wanted to leave them on just to showcase how easy and awesome this product is. Make sure your car is mostly clean. I have no big residue on here, but you always want to moisturize and make sure to have lots of lubrication, both on the rag itself and on the car, and then you're just going to rub it off, making sure to lubricate it, and you can tell right away that shine is already working. So we're gonna lubricate on here, make sure to spray lots. It smells like bubblegum and freedom. The smell is as good as the look of your car afterwards, and it's gonna take those water spots right off and give you a perfect shine. If you don't wanna necessarily wash your car, and it's just a little dusty, this is an awesome product. Make sure to use a microfiber towel. We sell these in our shop, but we're gonna make sure it's heavily lubricated so that you can see. I'm telling you, this product is awesome. We use it on all of our cars, not only our own personal vehicles, but our RestoMods like the 71 Chevelle behind me or the 64 Corvette that we're giving away. That's right, if you buy this product or any product in our store, you're gonna get one entry for every $1 spent on a 1964 Corvette Stingray. Thing is a silver bullet, it's freaking awesome, and you can make your car look damn near good as new. Look at this.